Welcome to my channel Rohini Veer. So today we are going to learn subject science chapter number 2, plant structure and functions. So first of all we will revise the parts of plants, that are fruit, flower, leaf, stem and roots. Do you know, friends, these all parts of plant also have their own parts. So in this lesson we are going to learn this. So let's start. So as we all know, seed is very important for formation of a plant. So this seed also have two parts, that is plumule and radicle. So this radicle grow deep in the soil, means towards the soil, and this plumule which grow above the soil. So after some days this radicle became a root and this plumule became a stem or aerial parts of the plant. So first of all we will see the parts of roots. So do you know, friends, what is the work of roots? To support the aerial parts and provide water and minerals. So how the roots will support the aerial parts? By only providing water and minerals? No, they also, while heavy rain or storm is there, we are safe at our home. But do you think that plants are safe outside? No, they are not safe. So how they can stand in that heavy rain or storm? So the root supports them to stand in the soil while heavy rain and storm. And what are the aerial parts? Aerial parts means the parts which grow above the soil are all the parts are called aerial parts. And as we all know, roots also provide water and minerals. So friends, in last year we have learned the taproot and fibrous roots. So we all know taproot and fibrous root. So first of all we will learn parts of taproot. So there are primary root, secondary root, root hair, root tip and root cap. So this primary root is here. This is a primary root, and to this primary root there is branches. So those branches are called secondary root, and to this root there is thread-like structure. This is root hair, and at last there is root tip, and to protect this root tip there is root cap. Do you know, friends, why this root cap protects root tip? Because this root tip go deep in the soil. So to protect root tip from injuries, root cap helps. So these all parts are for only taproot, not for fibrous roots. So let's see the fibrous root. So here is thread-like structure. This is fibrous root. Friends, fibrous root do not have parts. So here are two types of seed, that is monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous. I will explain this in fruits topic, but I want to tell the most important thing that when dicotyledonous means two dicotyledonous seed is there, so plant have taproot, and when monocotyledonous seed is there, plants have fibrous root. So please keep it in your mind. So now we are going to learn stem. So parts of stems are bud, nodes, internodes. These are three parts of the stem. So here you can see bud, and here also there is buds, and the growing end of this bud is here, and here is leaf. So here is a bird by the which leaf formation is started. And here are nodes. You can see they had shown the arrow, and between these two nodes the place is remain. It's called internode. Now we are going to learn the parts of leaf. So let's start. So there is leaf part. Here is leaf part, leaf apex, leaf margin, vein, mid-vein, leaf blade, petiole, stiple and leaf base are all the parts of leaves. So this leaf apex is this upper end is called the leaf apex. This margin of a leaves is called leaf margin. These small lines is called vein, which divides leaf in many parts. This mid-vein, this single straight line which divides leaves in two equal parts. And here is leaf blade. So this plain part, plain part of a leaf is called leaf blade. Here is petiole. Here is stipule. So after some days here, the new leaves will form here and here. And here is a leaf base. This leaf base is attached to the plant or a tree. So here I have written some important note. The leaves of some plant have a single undivided leaf blade and a single midrib. Such leaves are called simple leaves. So leaf of some plants have single undivided leaf blade. Means this leaf blade have only single undivided leaf blade. There is no vein, means only midrib is there. Such leaves are called simple leaves. Means the leaves which have only leaf blade and mid vein, there is no vein. Okay, means leaf apex is there, leaf margin is there, mid vein is there, leaf blade is there, petiole is there, stipple is there, leaf base is there, but there is no vein. In that leaves are called simple leaves. And the leaf blade of leaves in some plants is divided into many small parts called leaflets. Such leaves are called compound. So you all see the leaves of people. So the people leaves are divided into many. The people's leaves, leaf blades are divided into many small parts. So that type of plant leaves are called compound leaves. So leaves also have venation. So there is reticulated venation and parallel venation. So this why this we call the reticulated? Because there is no shape of these vein or mid vein or this venation. And here this venation you can see it is divided into parallel lines. And there is parallel lines. So this is called parallel venation and this is called reticulated venation. So now we are going to learn about flowers. So parts of flowers are stigma, style, anther, filament, corolla, ovary, calyx and pedicel are all the parts of flowers. So here is red color balls, that is called stigma. Here a single straight line is there, that is called style. Here are the two parts, that is anther and filament. Here green color is ovary, and to cover this ovary there is calyx. And here is a single line, that is pedicel. This pedicel is attached to the tree or a plant. Okay. So friends, do you know like we have female or males in human beings, like that in flowers also there is female reproductive part and male reproductive part. So male reproductive part is called androecium and female reproductive part is called gynoecium. So what this androecium means, male reproductive part consists, this male reproductive part consists of stamen, and stamen is consist of anther and filament. Means stamen is made up of this anther and filament. By this anther and using this anther and filament, stamen can be made up. So this is male reproductive part. And what is the gynoecium? The gynoecium is made up of carpel, and carpel consists of stigma, style and ovary. This single straight line, here is all the parts, that is ovary, stigma and style. All these are female reproductive part called gynoecium. So what is the corolla? You know guys, corolla is the petals, and all we know the petals. So what is meant by calyx? In the bud condition, the petals are covered by the leaf-like part called sepals. Okay, which is green in color. They form a calyx. So now we are going to learn about fruit. So there is various fruits and their seed. So here I write the definition of dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous. Seeds which divided into two equal parts are called dicotyledonous, and seeds which do not divided into two equal parts are called monocotyledonous. So you will say all the parts of seed can divide into parts. So all are dicotyledonous? No. What I said, that two equal parts are there. So for this, to understand this method, do an experiment in your home, that soak the seed of groundnut for 3 to 4 hours, and after that press the seed with your finger, and then you can see the groundnut is divided in two equal parts. And if you press the pea or rice or a jowar, you can see it will divide it into many parts. So that are monocotyledonous. So friends, you can find which seeds are dicotyledonous and which are monocotyledonous. So dicotyledonous also called dvidal in Marathi and monocotyledonous called ekdal in Marathi. So if dicotyledonous plants are there, dicotyledonous seed is there, so plants have taproots, and when monocotyledonous seed is there, plants have fibrous root. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and teachers. Bye bye.